So as we decided in our previous video, I told that above this level, if market consolidates a little bit, you can take an entry in here and look for targets from here and furthermore. So it worked till here, but it gave resistance completely from here till here. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. So below this level, if market comes, which it is coming and making a bearish pattern, in here you can see such a high chances that it may take a good resistance and target are here. In here you can see a good bounce. If bounce doesn't come, then further downside momentum is possible from here till here. Okay. And on a weekly basis, you can see that it is just a pause candle, means just a little retracement. Until here, there are high chances that market is till 158 also. But furthermore, after that, chances are that we may see 159 and 161 easily. Okay. Okay, so same in Euro USD also. Below this level, I told that we have to look for selling opportunities, and you can see market has exactly performed like that. The only problem was it didn't took support from here exactly, except that it has performed exactly same. You can see the pattern and see this pattern. Okay, so now I'll modify new support and resistances. Modified. So in here there are very high chances it's better that you look for a breakdown below this level, then look for selling opportunities, and above this level you can look for buying opportunities from here till here. Okay, there are very high chances that it may give retracement till there. Weekly basis, you can see in here this is a very strong support zone. Okay, a very strong support zone in here for this whole level. Okay, chances are very high that it may retrace till here or give a good bounce from here till here. Okay, so in here it is at a 50-50 zone from where it is either going to make it or break it. In GBPUSD also, I had told that below this level we have to look for selling opportunities, and we got one also. The only problem, it completely retraced. Okay, and from now on it is giving again downside momentum, but because of the pattern of inverted head and shoulders, there are very high chances that it may retrace completely. So analysis will remain same. It will be a no trade zone. Above this level only we have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level it will now change from here till here, and this will become a no trade zone. And below this level we have to look for selling opportunities, and above this level we can look for buying opportunities, but chances are we can see a good resistance from here till here. Okay, in Bitcoin also, I told that this was a no trade zone. Okay, above this level only we had to look for buying opportunities, and it gave a good opportunity in here, but RSL got it in here first time, and after that in here. Okay, we got good entry from here till here. Easily we achieved 700 points. Then furthermore, but it in here our trail SL got it. After that, after this momentum, after it came down and then above this W pattern, then we achieved good points 900 and furthermore. But still our target is pending in here. Okay, those who want to re-entry, I'm telling you new support and resistances, then we'll decide from where we have to take trade. Support and resistances have been modified. So in here there are very high chance that it may consolidate a bit and then give a breakdown till here. Okay, but in any case we have to look for buying opportunities. Okay, this is the first scenario. The second case is it may come here and then give a above side trade, and then furthermore the third scenario, if it comes below this level, this will be a no trade zone, and below this level no trade. Okay, and below this level we have to look for selling opportunities. If it comes very directly, then we have to wait, because there is a very high chance that it is a good buy. Okay, on weekly basis we can see that now that Bitcoin has moved from here as we were expecting it to, now chances are very high that we can see a good retracement from here, and market once comes above this level, we can from this level, there are very high chances we are going to see new Bitcoin high, because that's how Bitcoin performs. If you are following me for a longer period of time, I have been telling it for a long period of time. Since 4 to 5 weeks I've been selling. Since 4 to 7 weeks I've been telling that chances are when market was here, then from that time also I've been telling that market behaves like that, but this was an exception move. After it didn't move in our favor, that market may get a bit bearish, but from here I'm expecting it to show a good bounce, because that's how Bitcoin performs. Chances are that market may give a new high, but from here once it broke this level, then I was a bit bearish. But after that, this sign is showing that there are very high chances that market may perform exactly like we were expecting it to perform here. Okay, so let's see what happens. This have been modified. So this will be a no trade zone. I told that this was a selling zone. Market retraced here, and from that on it is continuing. Okay, and we are expecting it to further go down also. So I'll modify new support and resistances zone. Chances are it may retrace completely from here till here, and then we can see a good bounce or good selling zone. Or once it comes below this level, then you can look for selling opportunities. But in here we can expect a good bounce, and if not a good bounce, then we can see a good fall. I've been telling it for a longer period of time that once market comes below 5,000, this year gold is for bullish, this year gold is for bearish opportunities. But somehow after that, after war came, it further went more from here till here. It went 55,200 also. This made me a bit dicey about the gold positioning, but now that it has come below 5,000, chances are that we can see gold giving us further downside momentum. I'm expecting easy 4,000 to 4,200 also. Okay, if you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.